Hi everyone, I'm Fajri Ramadhani and I was tasked to share my happiest memory. It all happened right at the end of 2023 and this memory isn't it about a luxurious vacation but about the one thing I anticipate the most, my brother coming home from his distant city. After 6 long months apart, that brief time together felt so incredibly precious. And the craziest part, my holiday extended because he invited me to join him where he works. This moment was simple, but it was filled with sacrifice, adventure, family visits, and lots of love. Ready to see snippets of our 15-hour road trip, trekking to a waterfall, and celebrating New Year's if just the two of us? Let's dive in. This is the story of my unforgettable semester break with my brother. My happiest memory took place at the end of 2023, precisely during my odd semester break in my final year of high school. It was a truly priceless time because my older brother, who works and lives in distant city, finally returned home for his annual leave. For me, his holiday leave is always the most anticipated event of the year. Why? The primary reason was simple yet significant. I hadn't seen him for 6 long months. The physical distance that separated us made every single reunion feel incredibly special. Our entire family, and especially me, always waited impatiently for his arrival. When he was home, my brother consistently created wonderful, joyful moments. He would pick me up from school and treat me to lunch at our favorite spot, or simply take me for a casual drive around the city streets I hadn't seen in a while. These were modest acts, yet they built precious and deep memories. I often wished I could see him every day, sometimes feeling a pang of envy toward my friends who were always with their siblings. A week later, my brother's vacation was quickly nearing its end, and he had to prepare to return to his workplace. However, since I was still on school holiday, he spontaneously invited me to join him in his city. I was absolutely ecstatic. This was a golden opportunity, the thought of embarking on a long journey just with him and experiencing a few days of independent life away from our parents' strict supervision made my heart leap with excitement. The journey we took was a particularly long and challenging one, spanning approximately 15 hours by car. Despite the fact that the travel was quite tiring, I enjoyed every minute of it. The view of the green mountain and fast rides wheel along the way kept my eyes busy. Time seemed to fly by quickly because we were constantly sharing stories ranging from my school life to his future plans. During my 7 day stay there, my brother ensured that my holiday was meaningful and fulfilling. Naturally, as someone living away from home, he had close relatives and extended family in that city, and he made sure to take me for a visit. We visited the homes of my aunt and uncle whom I hadn't seen in a long time. This moment felt incredibly warm, filled with laughter, shared stories, and renewed family connection. Even though we were far from our main home, the visits gave a new profound dimension to my holiday. It wasn't just about sightseeing, but about strengthening family ties. In addition to family visits, my brother also brought me on physical adventures. One day, he took me to a spectacular waterfall which required us to trek for about 45 minutes for how hour. I felt complete and at peace, enjoying the precious natural beauty. After the exhausting climb and the fun is the water, we stopped by a clear stream to simply dip our feet and simple yet immensely memorable experience. In the evenings, my brother always made an extra effort to finish his work early. He would rush me home just so he could spend more time together. He took me on night drives, showing me iconic landmarks, which always culminated in a delicious dinner at a new restaurant he treated me to. The peak of the excitement was on the New Year's Eve, leading into 2024. We went out for a final festive evening, enjoying street food and the lively city atmosphere while waiting for the year-end countdown. The most impressive and lasting memory for me is the depth of his sacrifice. He tired so hard out amidst his busy work schedule for his little sister's happiness. He always endeavored to take me to new places and I had never visited, such as a fast with sand beach. This created my beautiful first memory of that particular beach, and now whenever I go to the same beach, I can recount the extraordinary story of my first time there, an experience I cherished and shared with my loving brother. Too soon, the short holiday came to an end, and I had to return home for school. I traveled back with my cousin, carrying a heart overflowing with happy memories. Those 7 days I spent with my brother were an extraordinary blessing. The memories remain vivid, warm, and precious to this very day. Thank you.